Hey guys, it's iMaster, and today I'm going to be doing a video request on talking about web hosts in general and what all the different features are. So, let's get started. Alright, first of all, I am using Byethost. You can get to them at, I think, byethost.com is the address, and you can sign up and all that. And this is VistaPanel. VistaPanel is basically the name of the controller that I use to, work with my website. So, I'll try to answer any questions you have as best I can, but if you're not using Byethost, I am very limited. So, it is free, by the way, Byethost, and it's very good. I'm not going to make this into a review, but they're very good. Alright, so we'll start under account management. You can go ahead and update contact info, change password, and it has some tutorials. That's pretty self-explanatory, all of that. Domains, you can subdomains, add-on domains, and park domains. Now, let's talk about the differences between these three. Subdomains, let's say you have a website, alright? For the sake of things, let's call it youtube.com. Okay, so let's say we add a forum to youtube.com. Well, we can make that forum either youtube.com/forum, or we can make it a subdomain by saying forum.youtube.com. So it's a domain name with the original domain name in it. Okay, does that make sense? Alright. Then we have add-on domains. Add-on domains is simply when you have two totally different domains that have nothing to do with each other. They're just two separate domains, like youtube.com and, imasterweb.net. Two completely different sites. Park domains are two different domains that lead to the same site. For example, youtube.com and youtube2.com. Let's just say. And let's say they both lead to YouTube. Those would be park domains. Okay? Then we have FTP Manager. You can view your FTP settings, such as where the FTP location, your password, your username, all that. File Manager, this is where you access your files. Let me go ahead and go into that. You see, I have all this, and I'm going to get into this in greater detail in a little bit. I just want to give an overview right now. Okay? And then you can download their FTP software. I suggest using EasyEye Web Publisher, or if you really must, CyberDuck. I find EasyEye Web Publisher best, but some people prefer CyberDuck. So they're both free, both work on Mac. Both work on Mac. So check those out. Site management, you can automatically back up, and then file manager. Email manager. If you're using Byethost, this is something I found out the other day. You get unlimited email addresses. Now, that might not seem very cool, but what it is, let's say I wanted to make one. I could make it imaster@imasterweb.net. I can make it anything at imasterweb.net because that's my registered domain name. So if you have a domain name that's registered and you're using let's say Byethost, then you get unlimited email addresses like that. So you can just set them up there and then view them there. So that's what that is. Databases. Databases are very useful, but they are also very advanced. I'm gonna be making some videos about these in the soon future. I want to do some forum tutorials, and databases are what you use to create forums and create things where people log in, and those usernames and passwords are stored in a certain database. So that's what, when you hear like MySQL databases, that's what that is. PHP-MyAdmin is just a way to edit those databases, and slow query statistics I've never used, and I'm going to be honest, I have no idea what that does. Statistics, just account statistics. Software and services, this is very useful. Fantastico, if you're using Byethost, some other people offer this as well. and you want to set up a form, Fantastica will do it completely for you, and it's really, really easy. So check that out. Site Builder, just their site builder, nothing really special. I prefer things where I can store it on my computer. That way, if their servers crash, I don't lose my entire website. Ads and then get a free domain. Yeah, I don't really trust that, but I guess it might be real. I've never looked at it. DNS management, MX records, CNAME records, account upgrades. You can upgrade to the monthly pay deal. Dedicated servers, premium cPanel demo. Just the stuff they want to take your money for. Technical support, you have the forums, tickets, which is how you tell them there's a bug or you're having trouble. You create a ticket, and then help and tutorials. So that's an overview of VistaPanel, and then of course you have this sidebar with all of your information. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get further into File Manager. A lot of people have trouble with where to upload their files. So, I'm assuming that all of you have common sense and know that do not upload files here means do not upload files here. Don't do it. Okay? If you have a domain name, you're going to want to upload to the folder that has your domain name. In my case, imasterweb.net. So I can click on that and you'll see you go here, go one step further, htdocs, and there's all my files. Now, let's say that you don't have a domain name, you're just using the free subdomain that Byethost gives you, in which case you would upload to htdocs, or if you see your subdomain here, upload it there, okay? So that's where to upload your files. Don't upload in here, and don't upload here, okay? That's just about it for this tutorial. I hope you found it useful and learned something. Alright, so I'll see you next time, guys. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.